In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the Facebook for WooCommerce extension quickly and confidently using Google and the official WooCommerce site. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type WooCommerce and press Enter. You should see the official WooCommerce website at the top, listed as woocommerce.com. Click that result. If you see ads or similar-looking domains, take a second to confirm the URL and the secure padlock icon in your browser bar so you know you're on the real site. Once you're on the WooCommerce homepage, look for the Extensions section. It's usually in the main navigation at the top. If you're on a smaller screen, open the menu to reveal it. Click Extensions to access the marketplace. Depending on your setup, you might be prompted to sign in to your WooCommerce account. That's normal and helps personalize the marketplace for your store. Inside the Extensions marketplace, find the search field, typically near the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type Facebook for WooCommerce. Press Enter to run the search. If you have any filters already applied from a previous visit, clear them so you get the most accurate results. Spelling matters here, so make sure it reads exactly as Facebook for WooCommerce. You can also sort by relevance if that option appears, which usually helps put the official listing at the top. In the results, look for the extension named Facebook for WooCommerce. The listing usually includes a recognizable title, a brief description, and publisher information. You're aiming for the official integration, so double-check the name and who it's published by. When you see it, click the listing to open the full product page. On the product page, you'll find a detailed overview of what the extension does, screenshots, feature highlights, version compatibility with WooCommerce and WordPress, system requirements, and notes about updates. Take a moment to scan the requirements to ensure your site version is supported. It's also helpful to read through any documentation links and reviews to understand typical use cases and best practices. If there's pricing or a license mentioned, you'll see that here as well. That's all there is to it. Search WooCommerce on Google, open the official site, go to Extensions, type Facebook for WooCommerce, and click the official listing. From here, you have everything you need to review the details and decide on the next steps for your store. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along in real time.